today we will fix Windows won't detect when install from USB. It will take a little bit time because okay, we are in the recovery. Now wait. Here you have to go to troubleshoot, go to advanced, and then go to your CMD. Here you have to check your drive where you have the setup file. You first have to extract them. Okay, it's not here. E drive. Okay, this one is our Windows and C drive. Sorry. There is our Windows 11 logo, as you can see. Now we have to type CD and the folder name like 11, and if you didn't know the setup file, just type dir, and there you have your setup.exe file. Now type setup.exe and press enter, and wait, the setup will pop. Now click next and click install now. You just extract the files to your USB or other drive location, so you can go to this menu. Okay, now you have to accept the argument and click next and go to custom, and there you go, your drives are here. Now select those drives and install.
6.5 hours later.
If you want to drive from the Windows, you can't enter in the recovery, then you have to download the drivers of your storage and place it on your USB where you have your setup files and bootable ISO image, and then you can just install from there. On drive you don't see any drives, so just choose to load drivers and load the drivers from there. So there you go, we are all ready. Thanks for watching. God bless us all.